welcome back to my channel. And today I thought that I will share my makeup routine with you guys. A big disclaimer, I am no makeup artist and मैंने जो वीडियोस में देख के थोड़ा बहुत सीखा है एंड जैसा मुझे ठीक लगता है अपने हिसाब से मैं वैसे ही करती हूँ एंड देयर इज नो परफेक्ट वे. I cannot say that I do the perfect steps or anything. So first I'm gonna apply my Pond's Super Light Gel because it's very important to moisturize your skin before doing makeup. So here I go. I use different fingers. I don't like to put the same finger in it. I just feel it's more hygienic. So I'm gonna apply it on my face. Also on my neck. It is a very good moisturizer. I just bought it. Before this I was using Clinique's Moisture Surge moisturizer, which I think is really expensive, and I'm gonna do a separate video on that, so tab baat karenge. Now I'm gonna put my primer. This is my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Now I'm going to prime my face using the Loreal Paris BaseMagique primer. I really like this one. This is my second purchase of this, and I really like this one because Now I'm going to mix my foundation, L'Oreal Paris infallible foundation, with this NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator because they both foundation के अंदर मुझे ये मिक्स करके लगा के काफी अच्छा ग्लो लगता है अपने फेस पे. So I'm going to just take some on my hand, just 2 pumps, and I'm going to take this illuminator. This much. Now I'm going to mix these two. Now I'm going to mix these two and apply it on my face. It's a long step. Make sure you blend it well. Now I feel that foundation is a bit less, so I'm going to take more. But I will not take the illuminator this time. So you can see this glow. It's because of the illuminator. Maybe my skin. I don't know. So that now I feel that I think I need a little more foundation. Take this and blend. Now I'm gonna take my concealer, which is Revlon's Color Stay Whipped Cream. So I'm just gonna take and put it under my eyes. I feel this side has a little bit extra. also where I feel I have a little bit of spots which I want to cover. Now again, we're gonna blend it nicely. I usually use my fingers when I'm in a hurry. When I have time, then only I use brush. Obviously, I clean my hands first. Same thing goes here. So, I think मैं neck पे नहीं लगा, neck और different लग रहा है. I feel मुझे थोड़ा neck पे लगाना चाहिए इवेंट आउट करने के लिए, but क्यों waste करना, सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए वीडियो बनाना. I think neck पे भी थोड़ा लगना चाहिए foundation because then even लगेगा. I'm gonna take just a little bit, blend it around. So. Now I'm gonna do my eye makeup. Eye makeup करना मुझे वैसे तो इतना पसंद नहीं है, but फिर भी थोड़ा खाली खाली लगता है इसलिए थोड़ा करूँ. For that I'm gonna use I'm feeling a bit dry. I'm just gonna spray some rose water on my face. Yes. Refreshing. Now we're gonna put some concealer on my eyelids. I'm gonna take Maybelline's new blush eyeshadow palette and blend it and see what kind of eye makeup I want today. Usually I just go with a little bit dark on the outside and just a shimmer on inside. I think I'm gonna go with nude look today. So let's just take this one. I'm gonna take this shade. Usually I don't do contouring, but today I thought चलो कर लेते हैं. For contouring I'm using LA Pro concealer in the shade Toast or Toffee. I'm not sure इसमें कहीं लिखा भी नहीं है तो. Because I don't do anything to my eyebrows as I feel they are pretty thick, so I don't use any brow filler or anything. I just clean them. I just make sure there is no foundation on them whatsoever. I just clean them and use a concealer. Same under. That's it. That's all I do for my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go and put on some mascara. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Hyper Girl Volume. आजकल मेरा आईलाइनर लगाने का मन नहीं होता है, तो आई एम गोना स्किप दैट पार्ट. एंड काजल भी मैं नहीं लगा रही हूँ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट मुझे मन नहीं होता काजल या आईलाइनर लगाने का, तो वो पार्ट स्किप करके नाउ वी आर गोना मूव टू ब्लशिंग. फॉर ब्लश आई एम यूजिंग ओरीफ्लेम्स ब्रॉन्जिंग पर्ल्स. इनको लिए हुए मुझे काफ़ी टाइम हो गया. ये ख़त्म बहुत ज़्यादा चलने वाली चीज़ है ये, सही में चली रहे. I'm just gonna take the highlighter and eyes के inner corner पे लगाऊंगी. And eyes के inner corner पे also on my eyes. That's okay. I hope I'm not forgetting any step. I think बस लिपस्टिक लगाना रह गया. So for setting my face, I'm gonna use Oriflame's face powder. For lipstick today, I'm choosing Wet n Wild's Catsuit liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. I really like this shade, and so ओके. सो आई होप यू एन्जॉयड वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. मुझे तो ये वीडियो शूट करने में काफ़ी मज़ा आया एंड मुझे मेरा मेकअप भी अच्छा लगा. टर्न्ड आउट प्रिटी गुड, जस्ट द वे आई लाइक, लाइट एंड ग्लोइंग. Got a little too excited. Anyway, please like the video, share it, comment under it and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.